These are the range of bolt cutters from Total Tools. It starts from the 8 inches mini bolt cutter and ranges to 12 inches, 14 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches, 30 inches, 36 inches, and 48 inches cutters. We will now try cutting an 8mm steel rod. The cutter heads are made up of chrome vanadium. Handles are rubber gripped for extra comfort. A 48 inches bolt cutter can cut the steel rods up to a maximum 22 mm. 36 inches bolt cutter can cut up to maximum 16 mm. 30 inches cutter can cut up to maximum 13 mm. 24 inches cutter can cut up to maximum 10 mm. 18 inches can cut the steel up to maximum 8 mm. 14 inches can cut the steel up to maximum 7 mm. And 12 inches bolt cutter can cut up to maximum 5 mm.